Two devices, one identity. Who is real and who is pretending? Let's dive into Mac Spoofing, the digital clone game. There are two ways to change your MAC address, the built-in IP command and the powerful macchanger tool. But here is the catch. Both methods are temporary. The moment you reboot, your MAC address resets to its original value. Okay, theories are done. Now let's get our hands dirty. Time to hit the terminal. Before change the MAC address, we have to know which network interface we are using. To list all the available interface on our system using the command IP link show. I am in a VM, so my active interface is eth0. Now we will bring the interface down using the command IP link set eth0 down. This disables the interface temporarily so we can change the MAC address safely. Let's change the MAC address with the command IP link set eth0 address. Give the MAC address as you like. You can use any valid MAC address here. Just make sure it's formatted properly. Now brings the interface back up using the command IP link set eth0 up. Now we successfully changed the MAC address. Verify the changes using the command IP link show eth0. You will now see that the MAC address has been updated to the one we set. But remember, this changes is temporary. The original MAC will be restored after a reboot. Now we can see our MAC address has been restored. First, make sure macchanger is installed. On Debian or Ubuntu based systems, you can run a command apt install macchanger. I already have macchanger installed. Let's see how we can view our current and permanent Mac using macchanger. Using the command macchanger-s eth0. Here you will see two values: current Mac, the one your system is currently using; permanent Mac, the original hardware address set by the manufacturer. One of the coolest features of macchanger is that you can randomize your Mac instantly. No need to bring your network interface down. Just run macchanger-r eth0 and done. Your MAC address is now completely different. Unlike the built-in IP command, macchanger gives us more control. Without reboot our system, we can reset our MAC address in a single command. Just type macchanger-p eth0. Now let's see how to manually assign a MAC address. Before changing the MAC address, you need to bring the interface down. Use this command IP link set eth0 down. Now assign your desired MAC address with the following command: macchanger-m and give a MAC address as you like and give the interface eth0. Then brings the interface back up using the same IP command IP link set eth0 up. Now you know how to change your MAC address. But remember, it's only the first layer of anonymity. Real privacy comes in layer. In the next video, we will explore one by one cutting-edge anonymity tools, from the next-gen VPNs and advanced proxy chains to Tor over VPN and decentralized network like I2P.